Most people assume all credit cards are basically the same, but here's the surprising truth. The AdBlue Titanium credit card is designed specifically for rewards-driven shoppers, and it comes with some unique benefits you need to know before applying. This card is part of Ad partnership with Lulu, a major retail chain in the UAE. It offers cashback, reward points, and discounts on Lulu purchases, groceries, dining, and online shopping. The main appeal is its reward structure tailored to frequent shoppers. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the cashback percentage. While the card offers competitive rewards, understanding where you earn the most points is key. For example, you can earn up to 2% cashback at Lulu hypermarkets and select merchants, while general spending earns lower rates. You won't believe what happens next. The card also offers lifestyle perks like airport lounge access, travel insurance, and purchase protection. These extras make it more than just a shopping card. They can actually save you money and improve convenience for frequent travelers. Now, let's talk fees. There is an annual fee, which some might find high compared to basic cards, but if you regularly shop at Lulu and use the benefits, the rewards can easily outweigh the cost. Late payments and interest charges apply like any credit card, so responsible usage is crucial. The surprising truth about this card is that it's most valuable for people who strategically use its benefits. Simply having it without taking advantage of rewards and perks won't justify the annual fee. Tracking your purchases and redeeming points for maximum value is essential. So who should apply? Frequent Lulu shoppers, UAE residents who travel occasionally, and anyone looking for a combination of cashback and lifestyle perks. If your spending doesn't align with these categories, you might find other cards more rewarding. If this review helped you understand the AdBlue Titanium credit card, subscribe for more honest credit card reviews before applying and maximizing your benefits.